And what are these two methods? Method 1 would be torque. We have torque versus angle. That is one method. And another method, we have shear stress. Shear stress versus angle. Okay. So I will be discussing with you each of these two methods. Let us start with the first method, and that is now the torque versus the angle. So you open your data, okay? So the torque, where do you find the torque? The torque would be found here. I hope you can see that from the screen. So you have here the torque, and the unit for the torque is Newton meter. And you have here the value, the data for the angle. Kindly use the angle in terms of radians and not the angle in terms of degrees. So we have here the angle in terms of radians, and we have here the torque. So
torque minus. How is
the
torque minus?
How's the torque minus? I think there are times that you stop rotating.
Okay.
So that's one reason why the torque is negative. Okay, so first copy paste this data. I will copy paste it now.
شو طول انت؟
طويلة.
ما بعد في جداول غير مو بس دينا.
حشر.
هنحط لهم تحت سهل.
ايش دروني سهل مالهم احنا. لا المشكلة انت شوف عاطينا هالاختبار عاطينا السيد خاشم يسوي.
اخذتوا لي
So copy and then
اخذت الجداول؟
اخذتوهم؟
I'm going to paste it in another Excel work.
شي كنت
شو
اخوي؟
تشتغل عليه؟ انت وياي لا؟ طرشهم لك؟ بس
انا وياكم بقى.
ايش تنبي انت؟
وياكم انا.
مو وياي في الجروب.
I would suggest
لا وياك مشكلة.
I would suggest for you
أنا طالع
to
رسوم.
delete the negative angle. So I suggest that you delete the negative angle and the negative torque. So I would delete this one.
في واحدة ها
جابوك.